Be honest, am I an AI right now? The hair a little too smooth and the smile a little too perfect? If I suddenly went, "Hello human, hit subscribe now," you'd click away faster than a fake profile in your DMs. And that is why on the FeetFinder channel, we never use AI talking heads. And let me break down why. FeetFinder is built on authenticity. The models are real, the buyers are real, and the advice that we share has to come from real people. A talking avatar head may look fancy, but it can't build trust. And let's be honest, if we used one, you would probably be wondering, am I listening to someone who actually knows the industry or just an algorithm pretending? And around here, that is not good enough for us. We like our people human, flaws and all. Here's the thing. An AI avatar can say FeetFinder perfectly, but it has never had to sell content, set prices, or talk to real customers. It can't tell you what it's like because it has never been here. So when we're talking about safety, payments, and growth tips, it is coming from a real person, not a robot trying to be convincing on the surface. AI talking heads are polished, sure, but they are painfully boring to watch. They have no spark, no personality, no humor, and they don't even laugh at their own bad jokes. They never go off script, and they definitely do not make silly faces. Here on FeetFinder, we like our people as human as can be with all of their flaws, because let's be honest, real is always better than watching a digital mannequin who's trying to be your bestie. So yeah, no AI host here, just real people giving real advice and maybe a bad joke or two along the way. So if you like that, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that like button, and also comment down below if I fooled you for even a second into thinking that I was AI. And if you are ready to join the biggest platform where models can safely sell their content, buyers can find exactly what they're looking for, head on over to feetfinder.com today to sign up.